Hey guys, hopefully all doing good. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. In this video, I'm gonna take you guys on a journey to go and search for the biggest fireworks display here in Hong Kong. It is one of the parties which only happens like once in a year, and I was actually lucky to find myself here in Hong Kong so that I can be able to take part in this kind of an event. And as you can see on the streets, there were actually so many people. They were moving from different sectors of life, just trying to come to the TST area so that they can be able to watch the live fireworks display at the harbour part of Hong Kong. It was actually hard to just get to the harbour or to the Star Avenue because it was really crowded and there were so many people who just wanted to have a chance to watch this kind of a show. So as you guys can see, people were already partying in this part of the district, and some of them were in the bars, some of them were like filled up on the roadside because like all the traffic was closed on this day, and then people could move on the streets, just enjoy the vibe, like sit on the road, do whatever they want to do, because it was so crowded and the traffic was actually being controlled, and also the people on this part of the side from the east, it seems as well, you are not allowed to go to the harbour side. So the police actually blocked all the roads which were trying to enable people to cross over to the other side, because it was actually crowded like everywhere, the OTST, and most of the roads were blocked. But it was actually like once in a lifetime one, but like you just meet so many people from different places, different countries, just coming to enjoy themselves through watching this kind of a popular event. It was so amazing. On the streets, just the feeling, just the noise, then also just the people, everything was so perfect. I think it also added a lot of fun to the New Year's celebration preparation. So according to my plan, I wanted to cross over to the other side of the road, because from there I was gonna have like a clear view of the all fireworks display, but the police were not allowing us to go there. In the place where I was, I couldn't even have like a good view of the fireworks display. It was so heartbreaking. They blocked the road with the barriers there in order for the people who were in front there to stick where they were, and also us who were on the other side of the road to stick where we were. It was actually so heartbreaking, and I was thinking that how can I travel so far to just come and watch the fireworks display through the bridge. And it actually happened that way, that the fireworks display began and I was watching it through the bridge. It was so heartbreaking because I traveled so far just to come and try to have a glimpse like into this kind of a special kind of an event, and of which the roads were divided and I couldn't do anything about it. And then my prayer was that they should just open up these barricades so that we can go through to the other side of the road, and luckily these guys came through and they opened the barricades in order for us to go to the other side of the bridge to be able to watch the display clearly. So they were trying to open up the barricades, even though it took some moment because like they were trying to control the traffic. The place was really crowded, and then maybe some kind of stampede can happen, or maybe some people can hurt themselves because of being overexcited. So they were doing things like maybe according to the traffic control of the crowds, and yeah, I understand them. And then it was finally our turn for us to pass through. I was really excited. So as you can see, like people were really happy with the new year, and we were all just trying to wait to go to the other side.
Bro, you have to push it!
And here was the moment we've all been waiting for. We actually finally managed to go through the other side of the road, and at least here it was a little bit clear to watch the display, even though like the whole place was really filled up with so many people, and everybody was just trying to raise their camera to take some videos. And luckily I took my selfie stick, so after I remembered I had to unpack it from my bag and installed it. I saw like you were seeing the camera was a little bit shaky because I was trying to install the selfie stick so that I can try to give you guys like a clear kind of view of this kind of special fireworks display event. And yeah, I was just so excited and also happy because I've been watching this kind of an event like on the TV, on the internet, but I never had a chance to be just close to it and just enjoy it. So I was so excited because like most of my New Year's like I was in some other countries. They never found me like here in Hong Kong or some other places, but it was just like a different kind of New Year celebration like here, and just seeing so many crowds of people excited, happy, trying to have fun. It was so breathtaking, and I'm never gonna forget this moment. It will be like in my memories forever. So I hope you guys are having fun and enjoy the video. If it's the first time for you to watch me, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Then also I just want to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, because it is through your videos and through your support through which my channel keeps on growing and also growing. This was really amazing, really amazing. I was so excited, and I'm just trying to show you guys here the crowds of people like behind me, because I was using my selfie stick luckily, so I could take like a picture or video of like the people who are like surrounding me on the other side. It was so nice. I'm never gonna forget this, and I also hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So after watching the all show for the fireworks, it was actually over, and the next step was to figure out the way back home, because the old streets were really filled up with so many people, and yeah, it was over. So everybody just came out to just come and enjoy the fireworks display, and then afterwards some were going for the after night party, of which like I'm gonna show you guys in the next video, like the New Year's parties like around the city of Hong Kong. In my next video I'm gonna do that, but let's just go together, as I was planning to leave this area to figure out next faster ways to go back home. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and remember to subscribe, like and share. So I went to an apocalypse journey, granted for New Year's celebration after Victoria Upper. There was like a fireworks show, and so I came to watch. It was kind of nice. So it's really crowded, like so many people everywhere. So let's go together and enjoy the sky.
TV